Your brain is not just a computational machinery. To understand this much better, let's take a ride into the brain and season of a Gemini. It is here that we open the cages of polarization and enter a mysterious, serious playground of deep, long-lasting mental transformation.
The content of this video might trigger rational irritations and cognitive assumptions, confusing your critical thinking and scientific understanding.
This is an experiment.
I integrate my darkness to see the light and be the light. In this realm of contradiction, ever-bridging day and night.
A pure heart is your ticket into the gardens of bliss. Let us start like this. There is an intelligence, a mysterious force connecting all of life. All the cosmic children, the animals, plants, minerals, humans, all the angels and demons. Even the fact-checkers.
3D facts, yo!
Facts are only facts when we open up our rigid minds and look at reality from multiple sides. We need to be discerning at this moment in time. Being a Gemini is a lot of serious work.
Always finding the funny.
Being everywhere all at once. The dark and the light. You can either integrate your own darkness and use your ego to see and expand more of your light, or you can let it consume you, and then you forget your true essence and your connection to source. What I find so cool about being a Gemini is that I can easily use my imagination to see the world through another one's eyes. Because I'm so many beings myself. A pure heart is your ticket into the gardens of bliss. No, seriously, I mean, I don't know anything. I'm just having a lifelong monologue. Life teaches me through synchronicity. Actually, everything I need to know. There's a lot of people fighting right now. We have all very different perspectives on what is happening and what's right and what's wrong, but I think it's really crucial that we can hold a space for this polarity or for this diversity and don't lose our ability to actually have real conversations. For me, it's really boring only to talk to people that think exactly the way I do. Well, it doesn't happen often anyways, but I think there's a lot of people that maybe just like start deleting everyone. That just triggers their ego or challenges them to have a conversation, to listen and to tune into someone else's worldview. A true Gemini cultivates compassion for everyone. From predator to prey. So for us solar dragons, the ultimate fact is to live truthfully. That is, to be the knower of our purpose. From our source dragon perspective, everyone's life is a form of art. Just like children creating worlds, we feel the source of our happiness and inspiration.
Okay, inspiration.
What about knowledge? Do you have any?
The knowledge that comes with direct life experience.
The knowledge that comes with direct life experience, and not through beliefs or theories.
This inner knowing guides us to fulfill our highest potential
and leads the way with consciousness and love.
You have an opinion about that? Hey. Everyone has their role to play.